Will there be Russian-themed litigation? Hello, this is Reinhard von Hennigs. And while the war against Ukraine continues, the question is, how much litigation will there be? So in other words, will the war from the battlefield turn over to the war in the courtrooms? My quick answer is yes. The first lawsuits are already filed. Just the other day, a large Middle East airplane leasing company who wrote off about $500,000 for aircraft stranded in Russia filed an insurance claim for $538 million, and the insurance claim indicated it could be as high as over $1 billion. There are lawsuits against Apple filed in Russia for pulling out their payment services. There are lawsuits in Western European countries filed against Russia for whatever it is. There are lawsuits in different courts filed for force majeure, for business interruptions, and whatever it is. What I do see on the horizon is a big rise of claims where somebody says, sorry guys, I could not do it because of Russia. So we have some kind of frustration arguments. We have some kind of arguments to set aside contracts or to renegotiate contracts in light of impossibility and you name it. So I do see at the horizon litigation happening, not necessarily against Russia as a country, but against companies, company interactions where the companies were involved in Russian dealings. Here are my quick takeaways. If you are in a situation where you right now can renegotiate or can negotiate a contract, just think broader, that today's crises can no longer be unexpected. Similar to what I said about 2 years ago in a Corona litigation musing, the story is the same. Now the war in Ukraine can no longer be considered hypothetical. So if you talk about force majeure, include phrases which are relevant right now. Use today's language and today's knowledge rather than to rely on that something may be fixed later in court. The more specific you are now, the better it is later.